Good day, Dr. Palan. So I will be presenting my PLA number 5 on the video presentation on the topic stress management techniques of athletes. So imagine standing at the edge of a trap, heart pounding, the weight of expectations pressing down. For athletes, stress isn't just a feeling, it's a constant companion. But what if we could train the mind as powerfully as we train the body? So stress in sports is considered to be inevitable, whether it's the pressure to perform, fear of failure, or balancing personal life with training. Athletes face unique psychological demands, but research shows that with the right techniques, stress can be managed and even transform it into a performance enhancer. So here are some of the techniques for managing stress of athletes. So we have here number one is the cognitive behavioral techniques or the so-called CBT. So studies highlight that CBT is a gold standard for managing performance anxiety. So athletes learn to identify negative thoughts, patterns, and replace them with constructive performance focused thinking. So next strategy or technique is the progressive muscle relaxation or the PMR. So PMR involves systematically tensing and relaxing muscle groups to reduce physical tension. So it's been shown to lower cortisol levels and improve focus before competitions. Next is the mindfulness and meditation, mindfulness-based stress reduction or the MBSR. So this technique helps athletes stay present and reduce rumination. So research shows it enhances emotional regulation and resilience under pressure. Next technique is the imagery and visualization. So elite athletes often use mental imagery to rehearse success. So visualization activates similar neural pathways as physical practice, boosting confidence and reducing anxiety. Next technique is the social support systems. So accordingly, a strong support network, and this includes the coaches, teammates, and even more importantly, the family, builds or buffers stress. So studies reveal that informational or emotional support significantly reduce stress-related symptoms in high-performance athletes. Lastly is the goal setting and self-talk. So setting realistic, process-oriented goals and using positive self-talk can shift focus from fear to action. So these strategies are linked to improve motivation and reduce stress responses. So those are the different um, stress management techniques. And for now, I will be presenting different studies that prove that these techniques are effective in sports performance. So first is the study of Rumbold, Fletcher, and Daniels 2012. So their review analyzed 64 studies and found that multimodal interventions, so when you say multimodal interventions, this includes combining techniques like self-talk, imagery, and relaxation were most effective in reducing anxiety and enhancing performance. So basically, in their study, they have highlighted the importance of self-talk, imagery, and relaxation as effective method in reducing anxiety and stress. So next is the study of Badauriya and Tripathi in 2018. So the study highlights the role of psychosocial interventions such as coach support and coping strategies in managing stress during competition. So accordingly in their study, it is different from the previous one. So sa previous one, they have discovered self-talk, imagery, and relaxation as effective. But for the study of Badauri and Tripathi, they have considered coaching support and coping strategies are most effective stress management techniques. And last study is the study of Nuitzel 2023. So in his study, they review emphasizes the importance of coping, skills training, and social support in reducing anxiety and depressive symptoms among elite athletes. So now the third study is somewhat similar on the second one. So they have both the coping skills and social support. So accordingly, it is their most effective way of managing stress during competition. So in conclusion, stress doesn't have to be the enemy. With the right tools, it becomes a signal, not of weakness, but of readiness. So let's empower athletes, not just to endure pressure, but to thrive under it. So again, thank you and good day.